Imagine you're buying something in Myanmar. The shopkeeper tells you the price in Burmese. Or maybe your Burmese new friend gave you his or her phone number. Could you understand the numbers? Don't worry. Today, we are going to learn how to say the numbers in Burmese from 0 to 10. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say your phone numbers. Let's start counting. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say the numbers 0 to 10. Recognize and pronounce each number. Give phone numbers in Burmese. And answer simple questions with numbers. Let's start from number 1. In Burmese, we say T. Here, I show you with the Myanglish in the green color, T. Can you say it? T. T. Good. After T, here we go. Number 2. For number 2, we say N. N. Can you say it? N. Can you repeat after me? N. Excellent. We say 3. To. To. Can you try please? To. Can you repeat after me? To. To. Lovely. For number 4, super easy. We said it, lay. 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 Easy, isn't it? Can you try it, please? Lay. One more time. Lay. Next number is 5. We call nga. Nga. In Burmese, we have the same sound, fish and 5. Like the fish in the water is called nga. And number 5 is also called nga. Can you repeat after me? Nga. One more time. Nga. One more time, please. Nga. Now you try it. 6 is called cha. 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 Repeat with me. Cha. One more time. Cha. Great. Next number is kune. In English, we call 7. In Burmese, we call kune. Kune. It has 2 syllables. Kune. Kune. Can you try it? Kune. One more time, please. Kune. One more time again. Kune. Very good. Next number is 8. We call shi. Shi. Here you will see the Myanglish sha, it, but we don't pronounce tar sound. I just say shi. Short I sound, it sound like that. Sha, it, shi. Can you say it? Shi. One more time, please. Shi. Great. Number 9 is also easy. Go. 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 Repeat after me. Go. One more time. Go. Good. 10 is dase. Dase. There's a 2 syllable. Dase. Dase. One more time. Dase. Well done. Now you can count the numbers 1 to 10 in Burmese. Shall we count together? Di, ne, to, le, nga, cha, kune, shi, go, dase. Shall we try again? Di, ne, to, le, nga, 6 7 8 9 10. Excellent. Let's see how much you remember. This is an easy quiz. What is 7 in Burmese? 1 7 9. What's your answer? Correct. The correct answer is 9. Very good. Now, let's use the numbers in real conversation. If someone asks you, phone number below le, that's me, what's your phone number? And you can tell your phone number. We will use this number as an example. 39 253 123 Let's say it together. 39 253 123 Now, let's try together to say this number in Burmese. Before we start, I want to tell you something. We call 0 Tongnya. Can you say this? Tongnya. Here is the prefix for Tongnya. We will say this phone number in Burmese. 39 9 5 One more time. 39 9 5 Now, try saying your own phone number. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next video. Ta-ta!